Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. It's a thrift haul and I'm excited about this one because I got a couple of leather items that I think are going to be so fun for the fall. So let's get started. Okay, guys, hey, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in thrifting, which I do a lot of thrifting clothing and thrifting of home accessories. So if you're into that, by all means, become a member of the fam. Okay, let's get started. I got a thrift haul, and this is kind of I think it's kind of small, but I went to a place called my sister's place or my sister's closet. I go there a lot. I'll put the information in the description. It's in Ansonia, Connecticut, and they the proceeds from their sales go to help victims of domestic violence. So anyway, let's get started. I picked up a couple of leather goods, and I want to start with the first one. Now they're down on the floor, so bear with me. This jacket which I got, I think all the jackets were like $6.99 or something. And this is like an olive green. I don't know if it's coming across. It's like an olive green. Now, I bought this. I always tell you guys to shop off season, thrift off season. Don't be afraid to thrift off season because you can find so many things. And when I bought this, it was still summer. So it's, this still has tags on it. And I'm going to insert some still photos so you can see what this actually looks like up close. But don't you just love this? Look at that. Look at the detail. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the detail. Still new with tags. Okay, new with tags, guys. Another faux leather. And this is a more like, I can't say it's pink. Maybe it's a light pink color. What color would you call this? Like a light pink, blush pink. Yeah, blush pink. Look at the sleeves. It's got like a knitted material on the sleeves. So cute. Again, I think that all the jackets were like $6.99. Look at the detail on that. And I can't wait to wear this. Again, I bought these during the summer, so, you know, just trying the thrift off season, so I'd have them to wear now because it's gotten a lot cooler up here in Connecticut. But you could wear this. I think you could wear this with some nice jeans. Even a skirt. But how cool is that? These I got from Goodwill. I remember now. I got these from Goodwill. This still has a tag on it. It says $11.99, and for my friend Deb and my friend's Deb's coworker who says, please put the price tags in the information. I'm going to try to list the tags. If I've taken the tags off already, I'll try to list everything. Go back and find the information and list it in the description box. I'll just list each item. But these are Talbots. And these pants are like a hound's tooth. Fully lined. Great for work, for the working gals. Or just great just to be out and about. I love the slit pockets. Back pocket. Look at these. These are great. And I don't believe I paid $11.99 for. I'm sure I got a discount for this. I'm sure it was, I went at a time when there was a sale or senior day or something like that. I'll try to find the original, excuse me, the original receipt. But I love these. I love these. And you know I love Talbot, right? So, you know I love Talbot. All right, I am, boy, I'm telling you, Talbot ought to sponsor me for all the stuff that I find that's Talbot, and just all my other clothes that are Talbots. I really like them. The next thing I have, and I got this from my sister's place. Now, this item I paid, it was listed for $30, and it was brand new with tags. I think I pulled the tag off of it though. But let me just stand up. I'm going to give you a better picture of this. But this is this, it's a dress. It's a leather dress. This is the back. These are the sleeves. And this is the front. How cool is this? I'm going to insert some pictures so you can get the full take on this. But it's like so groovy. It is like so groovy. Sleeves. Look at that. So nice. And the last thing was the suit, which I love this wool suit. And it's by Liz Claiborne. And I think it was on sale. It said $16.99, but I know I got it on sale. That's the jacket. And this was the skirt. So, and it's fully lined, by the way. It's fully lined. So I'm going to insert some pictures of some of these, and I'm going to try to do, if I can, I'm going to try to do a try on, and I'll insert pictures if I can get to do a try on. But this was a cute little haul. I love these little leather jackets. I can't wait to style those and get to wear them. I want to hurry up and wear them before it gets too cold. I mean, it's already been like a couple of days, like 40s already up here in Connecticut. I mean, what's it like where you are? We're in the depths of fall, but it felt really kind of cold the last couple of days going out. I mean, we got leaves are down all over the place, so that's going on. But I mean, it's really been feeling like some mornings I get up to go to the gym, and I'm like, should I put a coat on over my little my gym clothes, a coat on top of a jacket and all of that? But it's a little cool in the mornings, and I still think it's going to get warmer. It's going to warm up before it goes really cold. But I don't know. But how cold is it where you are? And is fall one of your favorite seasons? I know for me it is. I really love the fall. So apple picking, getting your pumpkins, getting your mums and all of that. So we already got our pumpkins and mums out. We haven't done any apple picking yet, but we have our pumpkins and we have our mums out. And I almost killed the mums because when I bought them, I just left them out front. And you really should like douse them in water first and all of that before you put them put them out. I just left them there, and every day I kept saying, okay, let me go back and do it. Let me go back and do that. But anyway, I got around to doing that. I cleaned my pumpkins. I actually cleaned them in bleach. How do you clean your pumpkins, or do you clean your pumpkins at all? I understand if you clean them in bleach, it'll keep some of the critters away from, because every year we do get squirrels. The squirrels come and have like a field day with ours. But anyway, tell me about your pumpkins and what you do with yours. So I'm going to try to do a little try on and insert some photos here, and tell me which one was your favorite piece today. Again, I'll try to list the prices for some of those items. I'll try to list them in the description box. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go over and check out my blog at lifeongreenwood.com, because as I say, I put a lot of things there on the blog that I don't always put on YouTube. And oh God, you know, guys, I've been doing shorts. Have you seen them? Have you seen my shorts? Have you seen my shorts? I've been doing shorts and getting a lot of attention on those shorts too. It's really funny because I was never into it, and only recently have I started doing shorts, but I really like them. So go over to my blog, check out lifeongreenwood.com, check out my shorts, and leave me a comment below and tell me which piece today was your favorite item. I just want to know. And how would you style these? I'm looking forward to styling this suit. This is something that I would have worn to work. I would have definitely worn to work. I'm going to style it. I think it probably needs to be tailored a little bit because it's a little big, but I'm going to try to work with it anyway. I couldn't leave it there. I just could not leave it there. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.